How to fix GPS signal lost error. So hello guys, if you are facing that problem in Google Maps, how you guys can fix that? So it was on Android, iPhone or Samsung. So the method was very simple. For that we will simply hold on Google Maps app. So I will simply hold on Google Map app. Once you hold on that, in some devices you guys will see 3 dots, or you guys will see I option. So simply I will click on I option. Once you click on I option, here you guys will see that page like manage navigation permission, so to use it. But we will simply scroll to the end. Here you guys will see pause app activity if unused. If that was turned on, simply turn off that. After that, back. Now simply go to settings. Here search for location. So I will simply search for location. Once you search for location, simply click on that. Now here you guys will see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. So simply click on that. Now turn on that Bluetooth scanning, Wi-Fi scanning. After that, back. Now here you guys can see location accuracy. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, it will say improve location accuracy. So if it was turned off, simply turn on it. And after that, go to Google Map, and it really worked. Thanks for watching.